How to set up your TP-Link Wi-Fi repeater quickly. You can set up TP-Link Wi-Fi signal repeater with the help of 3 methods: via TP-Link Tether app, via WPS, or via web browser. This setup guide explains installation through web browser. If you want to try other methods, Tether app or WPS, then please refer links in the description. Power on TP-Link repeater by plugging it into an electric outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Link your PC to repeater SSID network, which will be shown as TP-Link_extender. Then, open an updated web browser and enter either URL tplinkrepeater.net or IP address 192.168.0.254. A form will appear, wherein you must create TP-Link account by typing password and confirming password. Click Start. Now, all local Wi-Fi networks will show up on the screen. Choose the host Wi-Fi which you want to extend. Enter the host Wi-Fi password to connect the repeater to the Wi-Fi router and click Next. Create network page will be loaded. Here, you can name your extended 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network. After that, create a password, or you can keep the same as the host router's password. Click Next, and your extender starts rebooting itself. After that, you can plug it out and place it about halfway between your router and Wi-Fi dead zone. Finish the setup and enjoy the newly extended network in your home. Thanks for watching.